Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money online by typing names, earn $300 plus a month. So make sure to watch the full video. To be more precise, creating and selling names to companies. By coming up with cool, imaginative names, you can easily earn $300 by typing names online in as little as a week. So today, I want to talk about this relatively unknown online money-making opportunity because I think it's yet another excellent side hustle idea. Ready to get started? Here's everything you need to know about making money by typing names. How can I make money online by typing names? It may sound entirely unbelievable, but it's true. You can earn money just by typing names. And in fact, there are actually a couple of different ways to type names and make money online. But today, I want to focus on one typing side hustle opportunity in particular, which is offered by an online company called Squid Help. Why Squid Help? Well, the reason being that Squid Help actually affords you more opportunities to make money than other typing jobs. And as a result, it can be an incredibly profitable side job. So let's dive a little deeper into what Squid Help is exactly and how you can make money online just by typing names. What is Squid Help? Squid Help is an online crowdsourcing platform that helps new businesses discover great name ideas, logo designs, and taglines, all created by Squid Help's online community of over 70,000 freelancers. On Squid Help, businesses or entrepreneurs can purchase names/domains, logos, and branding that are created and sold by freelancers. They can choose to purchase these either on the Squid Help Marketplace, an online shop of thousands of brand names, or by creating contests for freelancers to enter into. Here's an example of a brand name, domain, and logo design for sale on the Squid Help Marketplace. If you're the creator of this business name, then you're going to make a killing when it sells. I say when because there's no shortage of businesses and entrepreneurs on Squid Help. To date, they've helped over 14,000 brands worldwide find their perfect name. And it's no wonder why they choose Squid Help, because businesses, known as buyers on Squid Help, can also conduct audience testing on their shortlisted names, have Squid Help research and file for trademark protection, partner with Squid Help branding consultants to run contests, and find and secure names, logos, taglines from start to finish. For more information about how Squid Help works from a business's perspective, check out Squid Help's very own video explaining how their platform works. Is Squid Help legit? Yes, Squid Help is a legit online crowdsourcing platform where you can get paid to name businesses and create logos. Squid Help's online community comprises over 70,000 creatives worldwide, who have already helped over 14,000 businesses and entrepreneurs find names, logos, and slogans for their companies. Also, Squid Help currently has a 4.65 excellent rating on Trustpilot. So if you want to get paid to name companies or tap into thousands of name ideas for your business, then you should definitely incorporate this high rating into your decision-making. Can you make money on Squid Help? In short, yes. You can definitely make money creating names for companies on Squid Help. Just take a look at one of the top creatives on the platform right now. This Squid Help member has already made a total of over $70,000 by winning naming contests and selling names on the marketplace. So there's definitely money to be made here. However, in order to really be successful on Squid Help and make good money typing names, you'll need to come up with genuinely creative and original names. Or if you so choose, logos and taglines. If you enter names into contests that aren't appealing or don't work well for companies, then you won't make much money using Squid Help. The better your name ideas, the more likes you'll receive, and the closer you'll be to receiving what's known as Tier A creative status. So if you have good name ideas, then how much money can you make? Well, the amount of money you can make on Squid Help depends on how many contests you enter, what the prize money is, how many you win, and if you take advantage of the marketplace and sell on there. The prize money amount for each contest primarily depends on the pricing package a business purchased. To give you an idea, Squid Help offers the following plans for business names, and you can see how much you'll earn for winning each type of naming contest. Bronze. Business cost equals $299. Prize to creative equals $135. Gold. Business cost equals $449. Prize to creative equals $200. Platinum. Business cost equals $749. Prize to creative equals $300. Managed. Business cost equals $999. Prize to creative equals varies, but expect $300, $500. How do I sign up for Squid Help and earn money typing names? Signing up for Squid Help is easy and better yet free. All you have to do is head on over to Squid Help and click Sign Up in the top right-hand corner. You'll come to this account setup screen. If you're wanting to get paid to name companies, then click where it says Join as a Creative or Marketplace Seller. After you join Squid Help, you will be vetted, in a way, as a new creative on the platform. They will automatically assign you only 2 contests for you to enter your ideas. You will not be able to enter any other contest besides these 2. Essentially, in these first 2 contests, you must prove that you have good name ideas to contribute to the platform. If businesses like some of your ideas in those first 2 contests, then Squid Help will allow you to participate in any and all contests currently available to creatives. So next, let's take a closer look at contests and other ways you make money on Squid Help. How do you make money on Squid Help? 1. Enter contests. Now that your account is all set up, you need to enter naming contests and start winning them. If you want to make money typing names, this is the best way to make that happen. Squid Help contests usually run for about a week, and you'll typically win between $100 $300 per contest, although some do pay winning creatives even more than that. You'll want to start by searching active contests that you can enter into. I recommend filtering the search results by naming only, active contests, and prize guaranteed. 2. Sell names, logos, and taglines on the marketplace. Another great way to use Squid Help and make money online by typing names is by selling on the Squid Help marketplace. Typically, you won't just put names up for sale though. You'll create a brand package of sorts that includes company name, corresponding domain/URL, logo, a brief about description, possible uses, what industries and types of companies the name matches well with, root words used, key emotions and feelings the name triggers in consumers. The better each of these sections is, the more likely you'll be able to make money creating and selling names. And there are tons of business categories you can start creating names for. The top categories on Squid Help are beauty, agency and consulting, e-commerce, fashion and clothing, finance, real estate, tech. You can create and sell names in whichever categories pique your interest or you feel you've got good ideas for. So how much can you make selling on the Squid Help marketplace? Well, if your names, logos, and descriptions entice businesses, then you can sell branding packages for thousands of dollars. Yes, that's not a typo. That was ends of dollars. Most sell for $2,000, $5,000 each. And if your names don't sell quickly, then after a while you can change your price and put them up for bidding. Business can then make offers, which you can compare before choosing the highest one. So if you have great company name ideas, start typing away and sell them on the marketplace. This is an excellent way to make more money on the Squid Help platform, especially if you can create attractive logos to match. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.